In the last video, I talked about this, the Mongoose Ardor, the frame I dug out of the corner of the basement, and I've decided I'm going to put it back on the road. Well, today I want to talk about another bike. It's on the other side of my Vespa. Another frame that I found. I've been aware of this the whole time. It just sort of got pushed off to the side. But this is the Schwinn Boundary, one of the trifecta of bikes that came out in 2020. That Ardor was 2021, but back in 2020, the aluminum comp, the TAF, the Boundary, they started it all. Tapered head tubes, advanced components for the time, completely buildable. And the Boundary, it holds a special place in my heart because if you go way back, there was another Boundary, one that kind of started or was the big transition for this channel. If you've been around long enough, you'll remember that. A buddy of mine, David, rode that bike for I think 500 miles or so. Really enjoyed it, got him into mountain biking, or I'll say back into mountain biking. And was something that I felt, we can actually upgrade these bikes. Then things sort of took off. The Boundary, a big part of that, but you can see today it's not so big of a part of anything. Matter of fact, it's missing a lot of parts. There's no wheels, there's no fork, there are handlebars, but there's only one brake. The front one is gone. And the reason this got parked is this bottom bracket wore out. The trusty IXF crankset, they come with these external bearing bottom brackets and they're pretty tough. But this one did eventually wear out, but this bike has seen a lot of trail miles. It's been loaned out. I can't tell you how many times, but that's okay. I mean, that's part of riding. It's part of maintenance. A very tough setup, these IXFs in my experience. But again, I've loaned this out so many times. It has so many trail miles that it just wore out. So I needed to replace that, but it kind of got parked and set off to the side and then, just slowly started losing parts. I don't even know what I used group set wise on this. This is the box 3 Prime 9. Remember that Ardor used the box 4. It was actually this box 3 Prime 9 that I didn't like. I just wasn't happy with it overall. So maybe I take back what I said about that box 4. It was this one, so that's where that went. Explains a lot there. Is this the cassette front? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This might be yep, there it is. This is the cassette for it, so that means this is the rear wheel. Hey, I'm finding stuff already. No front wheel, though. That isn't it. It's not here. That's something different. There's something different. Remember that. Had the adapter on it the last time you saw it. I don't know what this is a carbon rollable wheel, so definitely not that. So maybe a few parts, just not all the parts. So the point is, I think I'm going to get this going again. It just seems right. Such a critical part in the forming of this channel, the Boundaries. All it'll take is a new bottom bracket. I can still use this. Those hold up. They're bulletproof practically. If I can find a fork, find a front wheel for this thing, maybe even locate, since I have the back wheel, maybe I still have the front wheels somewhere. Definitely get rid of this grip, and I really need to, because I don't know where the other side to it is. So a grip, a brake. But hey, wait, I do have one. I mean, how many do you really need? It's a rear brake. I could totally get away with it if I had to. But, proper braking, use the front brake a lot. So I'll definitely hunt down one of those. Did this have, I think this was pre-dropper ready, yeah. This one, now the Ardor I mistakenly at first thought wasn't dropper ready, but this one definitely isn't dropper ready, which totally explains this setup. And remember these saddles, still good. I still buy these to this day in different colors. I'll link this one down in the description. Affiliate link. Links are a good way to support the channel without costing you anything extra. I do have these pedals, but why use those when it had Fokers? And look at this. Can I spin them with one hand? I'm holding the camera here. Yeah. This sat outside, and they're still nice and freely flowing here. No grip feel, no in and out play. Oh, man, I'm finding more stuff. I need to be in this corner of this side of the barn more often. I've been looking for that. Okay, so that's taken care of. So just a fork, a brake, some grips. I mean, basic stuff. Oh, and, one wheel. But I may have that since I found the rear one here. So yeah, I can easily get the Boundary back on the trail. This is a good frame, a good bike, and you can't really see it, but those sparkles, like a bass boat, a matte finish bass boat. Pretty cool. What do you think? Would you rather see this back on the trail first or the Ardor, that mongoose from the last video? Comment below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.